Okay, I have a Galaxy S5 right here, and I'm going to install a tempered glass screen protector. So you can see it says S5 premium tempered glass screen protector. It was 10 bucks on eBay. One thing that you don't see is right here it says carefully align the GLAStR, which means it's either made by the same manufacturer for Spigen or it's a pretty good replica. But in either case, you're not paying $30, $25 for it. You're only paying 10 bucks, and that includes shipping. So let's get this installed. So first I want to wipe down the screen, make sure there's nothing on it. Peel this out. Carefully line it up. And then just push down. And you can see it's starting to spread from here, and it's going all the way across the screen. So very easy. There's no bubbles. You can't even tell there's a screen protector on there because it is tempered glass. Let's turn the screen on. Nice and bright. And if you drop it, it should give you pretty good protection. So instead of spending a lot of money, just go on eBay and look up tempered glass screen protector. If you find it for 10 bucks, it just might be the same thing as a Spigen. And here is the phone with the tempered glass in a wallet case. The inside of this case is a typical TPU case, so if you end up buying this, you don't have to worry about it not working, because the edges of the case do work with the tempered glass. So you could probably buy any type of case that you want with this screen protector and it'll still fit. You don't have to worry about it pushing it down or pushing it up on the corners or the edges.